stomach, okay?
Like your stomach, babe. Don't watch us. Put your face up there in the paper. Like a little worm as you shake your fucking little thing.
That's perfect. Julie, are you recording? Okay, I'm going to check out her spine. Alright. Alright, Giovanna, we're going to check out your hips here. Any pain with that, Giovanna? No pain? Okay. Alright, Giovanna. Go ahead and give me a big deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Get you adjusted there. Easy. Good. Big deep breath there. All the way out. Good. Just a little push. Good. Okay. Let's have you go on your side facing me. Good. Turn this way, Giovanna. This way. Bring that arm out. Bring that right arm out. There we go. Okay, on your side. That leg's going to go straight out. This leg we're going to bend. Alright, we're going to bring the shoulder back. Good. She had a little pop. Let's go over this way. Let's check out the hips over here. Now you're going to turn this way. Face me over here, Giovanna. Good. That bottom leg's going to go straight up. Top leg, we bend.
Honey, listen to what she's saying. She's so...
Back. Good. Don't pop there. Now let's go on our back, Giovanna. Get your toy. Alright, here's your toy. Let's go on our back. This way. Let's check out your neck. We're almost done. We're going to rotate your head this way. We're just seeing how tight you are. We're going to stretch out. One little adjustment here, just like mommy. Good. One little adjustment here, just like mommy. A popcorn noise there. Good. Okay, you're finished.